Hold on real quick. I got my guy up here. Hella good. Shout out to him, man. He's streaming live. I was watching that. Shout out to him, man. Go follow him. But the other thing, man, I want to tell y'all about, man, I want to talk about the iPhone release. All right. What's up, y'all? So, just got in the car. Man, it is super hot out here today, man. But getting ready to meet up with my guy, CJ. But yeah, man, just wanted to give y'all a quick look at the Sony RX100 Mark VII, man. And I'm telling you right now, man, I'm in love with this camera. This camera is like super legit, man. You guys can hear the audio quality coming straight out of here. And I don't have any microphones or anything like that hooked up. I did play with the colors just a little bit, but that's because I shoot in more of a flat profile. So when I'm shooting my videos, I like to shoot in more of a flat profile. So that's what that is. But other than that, man, the quality that you guys are seeing, man, is straight out of camera. Hold on, man. Let me put my seatbelt on because my car is getting ready to tell me I need to put my seatbelt on. All right, let me do that real quick. All right, there we go. Safety first, people. Safety first. Shout out to BH Photo too, man, for sending this my way, man, in order for me to get this on the channel, man, because I'm telling you now, BH Photo, man, is definitely one of the dopest companies, man, when it comes to any type of camera gear, audio gear, any of that stuff, man. Definitely make sure y'all go check them out. But anyway, man, let's talk about my thoughts about the hold on real quick. I got my guy up here. Hella good. Shout out to him, man. He's streaming live. I was watching that. Shout out to him, man. Go follow him. But the other thing, man, I want to tell y'all about, man, I want to talk about the iPhone release and just give you guys my initial impressions, my initial thoughts about it. Just literally raw and dirty, nothing polished and none of that. So talking about the, let's start at the iPhone 11. So iPhone 11, when they first announced it, I was like, okay, cool. Got some nice colors. Pretty much got the same type of screen that the XR had. So I wasn't really expecting anything, you know, different outside of that. They did add on a wide angle lens, which is kind of cool because I do like the larger, I do like the wider look when it comes to different shots. So I thought that was cool. Oh man. All right, Siri, I hear you. I hear you. I know where I'm going. But anyway, all right. So when they announced, so when they talked about that, then they started talking about there was only going to be a 1 hour battery increase. And I was kind of like, that was literally the one thing that I was like looking forward to, because honestly, I have the iPhone XS Max and my biggest complaint with the iPhone is its battery life. No other complaints. I love the camera. I think the camera is good. I think the audio quality that you get out of it is good. I think the display is good. I think a lot of the size of it is good. But the battery quality is the one thing that I have an issue with. Then Apple came back around and said, hold on, wait a minute, we got a little more for you. So I said, all right. So they popped up and they showed us the iPhone 11 Pro as well as the 11 Pro Max. Now, as you guys already know, man, if you guys are fans of the channel, then you already know I love the larger phones. Larger displays, that's my jam, man. That's my thing. That's what I rock with. All my phones, I have to get the larger one, whether it's the Pixel or whether it's the iPhone XS Max right here that you guys see. All of that, man. Even with my Galaxy, I have to get the larger phones when I got the Note 10 Plus. So when they announced this one, man, they answered my prayers. I felt like they was listening to me when I was on Viper Stream the other day with Marquez and Taylosive Tech. Like, we was talking about it. And my biggest thing that I asked for was a larger battery. And Apple said, okay, C-Kid, we got you, baby. We got you. We hear you. So they hooked me up with a 5-hour battery increase. It's just one of those things, man, that kind of makes you want to just break down, man, because literally, I have been complaining about this since I got the XS Max. It has literally been my one thing that I've asked for, and Apple delivered, man. So Apple, I appreciate you. I appreciate you. I feel like it was me, you and I, we were talking somehow, not physically on the phone, but you guys heard me. So appreciate y'all on that, man. But overall, man, there was a couple things that I liked about it. I love the fact that they added this the press to hold, like, so for example, so I forgot the actual name of it, but basically what happens is if you are in like the camera mode, you can actually press and hold on that, kind of similar to what you can do on Instagram, and it will start what is called like a quick video for you guys to be able to film with, which I think is dope, because there's definitely been times where I've had to stop what I was doing, and I'll switch over to the video, and then by the time that video loads, what I'm actually trying to shoot is either gone or the moment is pretty much over. So I do love that fact, that feature that they actually included with the iPhone 11, 11 Pro, and 11 Pro Max. So I thought that was dope. All right, so the other thing that I like about it too, man, is this Filmic Pro collaboration that Apple and Filmic Pro got together. Basically, with this app, if you guys aren't familiar with Filmic Pro, it is a video software app that basically enhances your camera features to be able to just unlock a ton of different features that you can do with it. I know a lot of creators out there use it. Now, the fact that you can actually film one session but 3 different focal lengths at the exact same time is super impressive. Now, that is definitely something that I didn't think that is even possible, but the fact that you can do that is super dope, because that just makes, when you're editing your videos and posts and different things like that, just a whole nother level, man. So I'm really excited to try that feature out. And like I said, I'll have Filmic Pro linked down below for you guys who want to check that out. But super dope feature, and I'm super excited about that. But the other thing, man, I gotta talk about that they talked about was that I was actually surprised on, is that if you were to buy the new iPhone 11 as well as the 11 Pro or 11 Pro Max, you actually get 1 year subscription of the Apple Plus TV subscription for free, which I think is pretty cool. And I was actually shocked that the subscription is only going to cost $4.99 for up to 6 household members. 6 people, $4.99. I'm not gonna lie, that's tempting. That's tempting to make me want to go out there and get it. And I'm not gonna lie, when I get the phone, I get the free subscription, it's gonna actually force me to go out and actually finally buy the Apple TV, because that's actually been something that I've been wanting to get for a long time, and I actually haven't had the opportunity to get it yet, because I haven't really felt like the need to really have it. But now that Apple kind of has this whole subscription model with their TV service, it makes me actually want to go get it. So but yeah, man, overall, man, I thought the event was I thought it was pretty good. It wasn't like anything crazy over the top, but I do love that brand new iPhone color, that green. I don't know what they're calling it. I don't know if they're calling it like forest green or a deep green or whatever green they're calling it. That green is a super dope looking green, and that's by far going to be the #1 iPhone color that you guys get, or that's going to actually be available out there, man, because I don't see any other iPhone color even competing with that. But that's just my opinion, man. Just wanted to give you guys my quick overview overall, man, just raw and dirty, while reviewing this RX100 and showing you guys the brand new RX100 Mark VII by Sony camera. Just showing you guys the video quality as well as the audio quality, because also I don't have a microphone hooked to this, so this is the audio quality coming straight out of this camera, to let you guys know. But if you guys have any questions, man, about the Apple event or about the Sony RX100 Mark VII, definitely let me know down in the comment section below. Thanks again for watching, y'all, and I'll definitely have more videos coming. And if you haven't seen the Rap Tech video to this camera here, definitely make sure you guys click right up here, man, because it's super dope. And otherwise, man, I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.